Well, they solved probably numerous problems for us because we've been clients of hers for quite a while. We first saw her through our Parkinson's group. My husband had Parkinson's, and she came and did seminars, and we got an invitation to go to a seminar for her, and we signed up with her. Loved her the whole way, the whole time. She looked over all of our papers that we had. We had wills, we had a trust agreement. She did everything, went over it all with us and explained it to me and my husband at that time, who was still, he had Alzheimer's, but he was still capable of understanding what she was trying to tell us. Well, down the line, he had to go into assisted living with Alzheimer's and the Parkinson's. And the whole time he was in there, I would call her. If I had any questions, I would call her. They would call me back with an answer. I was mainly concerned with the thought of having to go on Medicaid. And that's what our big problem was. I was concerned about that because we did have long-term care insurance. And so I was good for like 4 years. I didn't know, no one knew how long my husband was going to survive this, but she told me what to look forward to, what to do, how and when I was to come in. And unfortunately, it didn't happen because my husband passed away just this past September. And I came right into them. They told me what to do. I had an appointment to come back. I spent an hour, a lovely hour with her. She just was the sweetest, most compassionate gal. She's in my book forever, and in my family's book. But she told me what I needed to do. She's redoing our trust agreement. We're doing new wills. We're doing new powers of attorney for my children. It's all, I don't have a worry about it because I'm going to come in here next week and I'm going to sign all those papers, and then I can sit back and relax knowing my kids are taken care of and everything's fine. No probate, no nothing. It's all done. Thanks to her. And her staff, wonderful. Like I said, I call with a question, and in a matter of hours, I get a call back with an answer, which is pretty unusual with attorneys today. You usually get a nice little bill if you do something like that. Not her. She's wonderful. They benefit me and my family, especially my children and my grandchildren, because she's setting up a new trust. And the reason for the trust is I have a couple rental properties. I have 3 duplexes, which is 6 units. And those had to be transferred to my name when my husband passed away. And they have to be put in another trust so that when I pass away, my children won't have to be concerned with probates and everything like that. So I'm comfortable knowing that they're not going to get hit with something like that. And my grandchildren, they're all taken care of too. Everything has just been done wonderfully. And it was so well explained to me, what she was going to do and why she was doing it. And it's nice to have peace of mind.